I got my nails done. I'm gonna need 3 dresses, all cocktail themed, and yes, they are all blue. This is the last option, but I also have this little bag. I completely forgot, but I have a home update for you. Good morning. I hope you're having a fabulous week. You know, I'm really happy with the blue bedding. I think it looks so good. Today, I'm gonna be running a bunch of errands and getting things done in order to prep to go away. Tomorrow, we're heading to the airport. We are going to Winnipeg because we have a wedding this weekend. If you are new here, my name is Rachel. I just moved to Washington, DC from Australia, and usually my videos involve me, you know, setting up my apartment, organizing and decorating. But today, we're just gonna have a bit of a productive day and get things done. The first thing on my list is to head to the salon and get my nails done. My natural nails are so long. They have never been this long in my entire life. I do my nails myself and I usually always get a lot of questions about it, but I don't share because, oh, I just realized I put this earring in the wrong hole. I don't usually share because the way that I do it isn't very good. I just use a cheap gel polish off Amazon and I don't buff or file my nails before I apply it. So every few days it lifts and peels off and I have to redo it. And that's not exactly a fun thing to do, but I honestly don't mind. So the reason that I'm going to the salon, oh, I am struggling with my ears this morning, but the reason I'm going to the salon today is because I just want it done properly, and then that way it's not going to peel off. It will last me the full week that we're away, and they have a much better color selection than what I have. I'm just a natural nude person, although I'm currently not wearing anything, but that is the first thing we're going to do today. So let's go. I'm back. I got my nails done. I went for a cream color, which I don't normally go for. I'm more of a pink person. And I got like a little chrome over the top, so they're a little bit shiny. And I think they're gonna work with all of my outfits because I actually have a few events to go to. So we have a Friday night dinner, a Saturday night party, and then Sunday is the ceremony. So I'm gonna need 3 dresses, all cocktail themed. I have 3 dresses just here. I'm not gonna go with all of these. And yes, they are all blue. I should probably try them on and show you. And then whatever I'm not gonna wear, I'm gonna box back up and send back. I actually have a dress that I did buy. It's gorgeous. It's like a pink frilly floral dress, but I didn't read the reviews and it's small. Like I would probably need to size up 2 sizes in that dress. So it's got to go back and I got to send it back today. Then I have some accessories in here that I'm just trying to decide on. So let's figure out this dress and then we can box those up and get packing. This is the first dress option that I have. This is from Amazon and it's not the best quality being that it's from Amazon, but it is very, very pretty. I love this one shoulder detailing. Like that's just, I love anything that's one shoulder. It's just, I feel like it's quite flattering on me. It's quite tight around the middle. So I feel like if I wanted to eat or anything, that's not gonna be the easiest. And then there's also this frill and quite a high split. And I don't really know how I feel about that. I think I would prefer my legs being fully covered, but other than that, it's so pretty. This is option number 2. This is from Lulu's and this dress is so pretty. So many brands are making dresses in this style that have the V and then the cowl at the back. Oh, it's so pretty. Abercrombie makes a dress like this right now, but the one from Lulu's is much cheaper and it feels really, really nice. The only problem is I feel like it's a bit booby. I don't really want cleavage. I don't want my boobs to be out. So that's the only reservation I have about this dress. Otherwise, it's gorgeous. Like if it just came to like maybe here instead of down here, I feel like it would look so much better, but I just don't know if I feel comfortable wearing this to a wedding. Maybe to a party, but not to a wedding, you know? This is the last option. This one is also from Lulu's and I think this might be the one. It's got this beautiful high neckline. It is asymmetrical, so it's a lot wider on this side. I don't really know if I like that. I think I would have preferred if it was just all the like matching shape, but the high neckline is really comfortable. It's just comfortable in general. It's very high on the back as well. And I really quite like this dress. So I think this might be the one. I think I would be the most comfortable in this dress. Also, in terms of accessories, I have these champagne gold heels on. I don't have anything silver. I feel like silver would have been a lot better, but I have champagne gold, so I guess that's gonna have to do. In terms of a bag, I also have this beaded bag that I got from Seed a million years ago that matches the shoes perfectly. Like, it's the same color, which I think is such a great find. But I also have this little bag. This is from Pinko. I bought it in Italy in 2018, and I just don't know if it's the wrong tone of blue or if it's too much blue. But yeah, let me know. What do you think I should pick? Next on my list of stuff to do is put away all the clothes that are dry, but I'm also gonna put on another load of washing just so I can get everything done before I leave. I need to get my suitcase out, and it's in this cupboard. I don't have any organizational system yet, but you know what? Does the job, keeps everything out of the way. So I'm gonna take everything out, get my suitcase, and start packing. I have the extra large suitcase and my carry-on suitcase because we're gonna check one bag together this time. We don't need to check two, we don't need to take that much, but because we have extra shoes and dresses and he has his suits and stuff, we're gonna just need the extra space. So I'm gonna pack one half of this with my stuff, and then this afternoon or this evening we can finish packing it with his stuff. And then I also have my little carry-on for some extras, and then all of my packing cubes. I started grabbing a few things while I was putting away the clothes before. I've got one set of pajamas. The weather in Winnipeg is so odd. There's a day that's like 16 degrees and then there's other days that are like 26 degrees. So I'm gonna need to take a range of clothing. Have a dress, another dress, a couple of t-shirts, one in which I'll probably wear on the plane, shorts that I may wear for another warmer day. I'm gonna need some jeans and some cold weather stuff. I have the blue dress for the actual wedding ceremony, and then I just have two black dresses that I could wear to dinner and the cocktail party. So I think those will be the three dresses that I need, and then I just have to figure out a few in between things. I think I'm making a little bit of progress. I just made myself a cup of tea because I just need to chill for a second. I also have some potatoes roasting in the oven because I've got some chicken from yesterday that I'm gonna finish eating, and I just thought I would throw some potatoes in to just do some quick roasted potatoes. What else? I have a to-do list over here and I'm all on track. I have done all of the packing except for my handbags and my shoes, which I don't even want to think about right now for the moment. So I'm just gonna take a break for a minute. Oh, I've got the clothes washing in the dryer now, so that's doing its thing. And then as soon as I've had my tea and I've had my little break, I'm gonna jump jump up and do all of the cleaning type stuff that I like to do before I leave. Like I need to take out that garbage because I've been cooking with chicken and it's not gonna be pretty if I leave it. So definitely got to take that out. And then I think that might be all the prep needed before I head off. I completely forgot, but I have a home update for you. Look at these tulips. I got these off Amazon. It was 2 bunches of 10 for 20 bucks. And I think they're fabulous. They're so soft. They're really beautiful quality. And then I popped them in this old pot that I have. I got this from H&M Home a million years ago. And I really like the combination. I think this is great. And I've just got it sitting here on my little makeshift coffee table, which I think I've got a coffee table solution. And yes, I like to keep my tea bags in my teacups because I like my tea very, very strong. I'm also drinking decaf tea at the moment just so that I can have it all the way into the evening. But yeah, I like it. I think this actually looks really great as a little coffee table right now. I hope you don't mind just hanging out this afternoon while I do things around the house because I'm having a delightful afternoon. My chicken and my potatoes are amazing because I'm still eating them. I did start a game of Catan though. I probably didn't need to start a game of Catan. And I also put the stuff in the dryer on another cycle. They probably don't need the full 20 minutes, so I'll take them out in a minute. I'm just at home doing lots of homey tasks and I hope you don't mind doing them with me. Break is over. I still am in the middle of the game of Catan. I think I'm gonna win. Like I think I've set myself up well enough that I'm gonna win, but I'm gonna do stuff while I play. I'm going to unpack the dishwasher, repack it, turn that on, take out the garbage, take out the recycling, and then just clean everything. I have to get rid of my poor flowers. They're very dead, except for this one. It's still totally fine. I've found that my flowers have been lasting me about 2 weeks. And yeah, I'm pretty sure I bought this bunch 2 weeks today, actually. So sad, but I have to get rid of it because I cannot leave these here. Next up, I have to go through the fridge and just clean out anything that's not gonna last. I have some strawberries that I wanna put in some bags and freeze so that I can make something else out of them. Otherwise they're gonna go off by the time I get back. Also, you can see my giant cardboard box pile down there. I never meant for it to get so big. It's just every time I go to take things down to the garbage room is completely full. I don't know what the schedule is. I probably should figure it out. I don't know if they have it listed anywhere, but there's been a lot of people moving in and out. And as a result, the garbage room just fills up so quickly. And this is gonna be my 3rd attempt to drop it all down. So fingers crossed today's the day I can actually get rid of it. The first thing I'm going to take out is the recycling, and then I'm going to try and make a start on this pile of cardboard. I also forgot that I have this tote bag down here that I'll probably need to empty and organize before I leave. There we go, it's all condensed. I now just have to hope that there's actually room downstairs for it. I am pretty much done. I have done all of the cleaning stuff, so I can check that off my list. All I have to do now is just grab the last few things, pack the suitcases. From here, I'm going over to my boyfriend's place and I'm gonna print out the return shipping label for the Lulu stuff. I gotta go to UPS, they close at 8 p.m, so I think I'll have time to drop that off, and then I can go to bed and get up at 4 a.m. to start getting ready. So I'm down to the last little bit. I'm trying to work out where I I can put you so that you can see me in both rooms. I don't know if this is gonna be a good spot, potentially. I don't know, I've got to get stuff out of the other room as well. I guess somewhere here will do. I think that's it. I'm gonna put my mini suitcase inside the big one just to get it over to my boyfriend's house because he gets one whole side. But yeah, I think I'm done. I've got my little Lululemon belt bag, my tote bag, carry-on, and the checked luggage. So I think I'm good to go. I think I'm gonna wrap this video up here because now I just gotta go and make sure I get to the UPS store to drop off the Lulu stuff. But I hope you've had a fabulous day and I will see you very, very shortly.